guys, welcome back. So this is going to be another video in my series on pumps. The question that I see asked a lot is the difference between the Spectra and the Medela pump and style. So in this video, we're going to walk you through some of the functions of both pumps to help you make an informed decision on which pump is best for you. My name is Kassi Reyes. I am a registered nurse and board certified lactation consultant and the founder of People's Lactation. Each week I bring a new video on different topics in lactation, and if you're new here, I'd love to have you join the community. Subscribe down below and hit the bell so you're notified each week when I post a new video. So this week's video is going to be all about comparing the Spectra versus the Medela pump and style. We're going to start out by talking about some of the similarities in the two pumps. So both pumps have the capability to do single or double-sided pumping. Both pumps have the two-phase expression technology, which means that both are able to let you start out in a letdown phase and then switch over to an expression phase. This technology is made to mimic what a baby does when they're latched onto the breast or chest. So a baby starts out sucking quickly in order to cause a milk letdown, and then once the milk lets down, the baby will start to do longer and stronger pulls. So both of these pumps are going to serve that function. And the third similarity that they have is that they all come with different flange sizes, different parts that are easily taken apart and easy to clean. The parts look a little different on both pumps, and beyond that, both of these pumps are pretty different. So I'm going to walk you through some of those differences now. So maybe one of the first things that is noticeable about the Spectra is the size. So the size of the Spectra is pretty big. It's not as portable. The pump and style is pretty small, and in fact I actually have it in this little carrying bag that this one came in. As far as portability goes, the Spectra 1 does have a rechargeable battery, so you are able to use this pump if you are away from an electrical plug. This is good for a couple of hours. The Medela pump, however, does need to be plugged in. There is a separate battery pack. You can buy a separate battery pack for the Medela that takes 4 AA batteries, but it doesn't have an internal rechargeable battery. Another big difference in the Spectra pump is the fact that it is a closed system, and it comes with these backflow protectors that protect milk from flowing back into your tubes and into the pump itself. Medela does not have this option. So milk can and commonly does flow back a little bit into the tubing and can get into the actual pump itself. This is why you hear Spectra called a hospital grade pump. There are some differences between a true hospital grade pump and a Spectra. The strength of a true hospital grade pump is going to be different. The hospital grade pump has one motor for each side that you're pumping on, whereas the Spectra has one motor divided between both breasts. But that being said, it still is a very strong and reliable pump. Another difference between the two pumps is the bottles. So Medela uses a narrow neck bottle versus Spectra, which uses a wider mouth bottle. So if you're looking to buy bottles and nipples, that is something to consider. Another difference that they have is that the flanges and the valves are very different on both. So on the Spectra, the flange is all one piece, and on the Medela, you can actually disconnect the flange, and this is what you would change depending on your size. One of the hallmark differences between the Spectra and the Medela is the suction valve. Medela has a flap style suction valve, so if you can see here, this is what the Medela flap looks like, and the Spectra has this duckbill flange. And a lot of people find that they have better luck with these duckbill flanges. They tend to last longer and form more of a secure suction. Now we're going to compare tubing. So the tubing on the Spectra is the same on both sides. So it's doesn't matter which side you plug into the pump and which side you plug into the bottle. Whereas on the Medela, both sides have a different terminal, so that can be confusing at initial setup, figuring out which one to connect to your pump versus connect to the bottle. So as far as functionality, both pumps have pretty different forms of suction. The Medela pump and style has a single knob that is going to control the speed and the intensity of the pump. So there it is in its max setting. It's pretty noisy. So while this is easy to control and it's easily adjustable, there are more settings and the Spectra is more customizable. The Spectra is also a more quiet pump. So while the Medela has more of a mechanical sound and suck that's kind of just in and out, the Spectra has more of a cyclic kind of 3-part suck that is more closely mimicking what the baby does at the breast or chest. Some other differences between the two is that the Spectra does have this light, Nightlight, which is super handy for nighttime feeds or pumping sessions. You don't even need to turn the pump on in order to use the Nightlight, so even if it is just for middle of the night feeds and you need a little bit of light to get things set up, and you have this on your nightstand, it can be a added bonus. And it also has this little bottle holder in the back. Some people find it super useful for holding a bottle after pumping session, or other people don't use it at all for that purpose, but I've heard of people using it to keep M&Ms in as a snack while you're pumping. So get creative. So with the Spectra, it has 5 different cycles, and you can adjust the cycles separately from the vacuum, and this makes it a little bit more customizable for each person versus the Medela. That could be a little bit more confusing off the bat, but in the long run, I think that's what leads to people finding that this pump is more comfortable to use for the long term. While the pump and style does come with really cool carrying cases, they also have this really cool cooler and ice pack to hold your bottles. They make these cool bags that fit the pump directly and are easily closed and stored away, and you can take this with you. So from a technical standpoint, those are the major similarities and differences between the Spectra pump and the Medela. I hope that is helpful in helping you make an informed decision. I will say that a lot of families really love the Spectra and find it to be more comfortable and get better milk output with this pump. However, I also have heard of families who swear by their Medela pump and style. So I hope this is helpful in helping you make an informed decision about which pump is the better option for you. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Kassi Reyes. I post a new video every week on different topics in lactation. Would love to have you join the community, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you won't miss a single video, and please join the conversation down below. I love to see your comments, and any questions that you have, I will try to answer as soon as possible and with as helpful as a response as I can. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! If you're new to the channel and you find this information helpful, I would love to have you join the community. Make sure you check out some of our other videos that we have created on exclusive pumping, on functionality of other breast pumps, and various other topics in lactation.